First, open the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for the app SCRL and install it on your phone. Once installed, open the app. Skip any tutorials, ads, or premium subscription offers that pop up. Now tap Start from Scratch. You'll see a working area with multiple slides. But we only need 2 slides for this collage. At the bottom, tap on the Slides option. Then tap the minus icon to delete any extra slides until you only have 2 slides left. Now tap on New Layer, then choose Image. Allow the app to access your photos. Pick any image from your phone's gallery that you want to use. Tap on Ratio and choose Square for a better fit on Instagram. Now tap on the image to select it. At the bottom, choose Fill and then select Width 2x. This will stretch the image across both slides, giving it that seamless effect when you swipe through on Instagram. Once everything looks good, tap Preview at the top. Then choose Save. After saving, tap Open Insta to open Instagram and post your new seamless collage. Now I'll go ahead and post it. And as you can see, when I swipe through the post, it looks completely seamless.